Hi, this is Dr. Aditya from Ishka Healthcare, the best of Ayurveda, Naturopathy and Yoga under one roof. Due to lockdown, have you been feeling sad? Have you been troubled by your thoughts? Have you been lost in your own thoughts? So these are few things which you need to be very careful about. This is something which can trigger a make or break a person. So that is the reason why we talk about mental health. Feeling sad, not able to concentrate, not able to focus, and also having a lot of emotional outbursts are some of the few symptoms which you can see for mental health. This might look very simple, but it can push you to an extent of anxious state of mind or to an extent of depressed state of mind. So these symptoms of stress, when put together on a long run, can affect your body, which we call as psychosomatic ailments. When these psychosomatic ailments are there on the rise, then you can see an increase in your anxious state of mind. You have lost your weight for no reason. You have lost your focus without any reason. On the other end, you can also gain your weight without any reason. You can have something which is organic in nature, like that of hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism, disturbance in your sleep patterns and many other things. Modern intervention doesn't really talk about mental health. They talk about the states of mental health. So any of their medications, any of their therapies only focuses on symptoms, not on its biological effects in the body. That is the reason why you need to approach a doctor or a person who is well versed in mental health. At the same time, he understands the implications of mind. That is the reason why naturopathy and yoga and Ayurveda, the best of alternative medicines, when they come together, they give you the right solution. You need to understand how body functions. You need to understand how mind functions. They both are not different. So that is the reason why yoga directly addresses the cause of these diseases to your mind. Sometimes the physical body also attributes lot of stresses to the mind as well. So we need to talk at the physical level and mental level to make sure that you are stress free, you don't have any implications of stress in your body and your mind. To be happy, yoga talks about Panchakosha, the 5 sheets of body. First is physical body. The physical body means the bones and muscles. The second is your body of prana, or what we call as Pranamaya Kosha, where the interplay of this physical body and the air comes into picture. Because of a normalization between this physical and prana, we have the mind space. This is called as Manomaya Kosha. Once the Manomaya Kosha is also handled, you have something called as Vijnanamaya Kosha, or the body of understanding or trying to develop its consciousness. Similarly, when all these 4 are taken care of, ultimately you find the blissful state of mind, which is called as Anandamaya Kosha. To take care of this entirety of your body, the physical, mental, psychological and social spiritual spaces, you need to talk to the person who can guide you in this state. That is the reason why yoga talks about socialization in form of yamas and niyamas. It talks about asana for the body and mind to function. It talks about meditation. It talks about getting yourself gelling with the system, with the people around you and with the entire atmosphere and environment. So here is a light moment for you. Do you know the story of Anandamides? Anandamides are the brain neurotransmitters which is very much seen when you are in a high state of meditativeness. This was also seen in clinical trials using cannabis. So people who smoke weed and people who do meditation have the same neurotransmitters stimulated. They are also in a trance, and people who do meditation is also trance. But unfortunately, taking cannabis is not good for your physical body, but meditation is good for your mental body and your physical body at the same time. So alternative medicine talks about music therapy. You must have rightly heard, in happiness we enjoy the song, in sadness we enjoy the lyrics. So similarly, try to understand what you need for your moment. So once you get into that mode, then rest will happen by itself. We here at Ishka Clinic, we also give you understanding about music. Similarly, walking on grass. Walking on grass, make sure that you have free radicals which is there in your body to come in less quantity. At the same time, walking on grass also make sure that you are always oxygenated by freshness around you. At the same time, you can also have something to drink which can cherish your biological system, like that of fruit juices, like that of vegetable cocktails. So this will also make sure that you are lively from the movement to movement. Similarly, yoga talks about exercises or asanas, particularly pranayama, relaxation, meditation, spiritual engagements and contemplation. Also, Ayurveda talks about dhara, about relaxative techniques and procedures. Sometimes we might never see such symptoms. Sometimes we might even ignore this symptom. So if you in your circle see someone who is very sad to his day-to-day activities, he is very anxious about his own being, then try to contact us and we might give you a solution. You can walk into our clinic to avail the services which is focused primarily on mental health. We follow all the COVID-19 protocol, or else you can even log on to our website for all the home care packages, which includes consultation, diet chart, which also includes yoga, also other home-based therapies which you can do it without any restrictions. Don't delay this any further. Stay happy, stay balanced. Thank you.